A coal mine where every breath of a worker passes under the shadow of death. These workers are engaged in their work with their lives on their hands in extracting black gold, sitting upside down in a narrow and dark, grave-like cave, more than 2,000 feet down. In this country, the condition of mine owner is like king of kings, while the status of a worker is no more than a street beggar. They had to pass through this back valley every day in the darkness of the night to quench their stomach. This is the place where workers sit and extract the coal. The structure This is the place where workers sit and extract the coal, the structure of which is just like a grave, and here the words are lost after seeing the poor condition of the labor. The deep black wells of Pel Padhrad in Kushab area, which became a death valley for the miners. We are working here due to poverty. If there is no poverty, so you can see our perspiration, a deep dark ditch and silence of death. These heavyweight mountains in tons can fall on the miners any time. The depth of every mine in this area starts from the depth of 2,000 feet down. Mine is like a deep, dark, spectral cave with narrow, dark passage leading into it. They are forced to work and walk bent over like bow. The walkway has reached such a level that these two laborers walk slowly, and it is so narrow that two laborers cannot cross at a time. This longest corridor of death which starts from the mine mouth and goes to black diamond coal mine face. When a laborer breathes, particles of soil and coal get along with the oxygen, get stuck on their lungs and bless him with lung disease. Many of them become TB patients. Actually, it is the only passage for coming out of the mine. Inside the mine, thousands of workers are busy in extracting coal. They sometimes get deprived of their fingers, hands and legs, which predicts that there is not a minor difference between a mine worker and an animal. Here sanitary conditions are very bad. Water system is also very poor because donkey and a human is drinking water from same source. Government is doing injustice with us. We workers are not getting our rights. Coal hill can break any time. It has some breaking cautions so that we get alert. Third way of extracting coal is mechanical. In mechanical, we have seen the electrical schedule. It comes for sometimes. You can't differentiate between coal and soil in the presence of light too. Our life is meaningless. Poverty and poverty only. If we had enough money, we didn't spend an hour here. Ironically, there is heap of raw coal around their residence. Different toxic gases and chemicals from this heap can be fatal for workers. Against the law of constitution, children are also working here who get paid very low as compared to others. Here arises a question that when there will be end of comparison between donkey and human, And who will end this? When the eyes of workers will see a light of prosperity and get blessed with peace. No one knows this. Who will play a role of Messiah for them to overcome their problems? When the eyes of workers will see a light of prosperity and get blessed with peace. No one knows this. No one knows this. Who will play a role of Messiah for them to overcome their problems?
बेहतर है माहो मेहर पे डालो न कमंदे, इंसान की खबर लो कि दम तोड़ रहा है।